Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have a verified website, a business address, and clear product identifiers. Once done, open Google Merchant Center and select your target country and languages. Make sure to accept the merchant terms. Next, create a product feed. Include titles, descriptions, GTIN or SKU, price, availability, and shipping. You should pick a primary feed type now. For most stores, choose Scheduled or FTP for automation, and upload a test file so you can validate attributes immediately. Once the feed uploads, inspect the Diagnostics tab to catch errors and warnings. You want 0 critical issues. Make sure you map attributes correctly and format prices with currency, for example $29.99. Then configure shipping rates and tax rules in Merchant Center so checkout expectations align. Connect to Google Ads if you plan to run shopping campaigns, and enable automatic item updates to reduce disapprovals. As you refine, re-upload corrected feeds and track changes in the feed history to confirm fixes. Now you launch. Link Merchant Center with Google Ads, create a shopping campaign, and select your product groups. Monitor performance metrics daily. Adjust bids and priorities based on impressions and conversions. Once live, keep an eye on disapprovals and policy warnings. If products are disapproved, inspect the exact reason, policy, image, or landing page mismatch, then correct and resubmit. One key troubleshooting tip: if many items fail, test a small sample feed with minimal attributes to isolate the error quickly, then scale fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.